Nestled in the heart of ancient Mexico, the Aztec civilization thrived, its warriors renowned for their strength and prowess in battle. A complex society woven with rituals, beliefs, and hierarchies, the Aztecs left an indelible mark on history. In times long past, when the vast city of Tenochtitlan bustled with life, the call of war echoed through its stone streets. Aztec warriors, draped in garments of woven cotton and arrayed with vibrant feathers, prepared for the sacred task of defending their empire. The training of an Aztec warrior was not merely physical, but spiritual. From an early age, young men were taught the art of combat, guided by elderly warriors who recounted the tales of battles won and lost. Lessons in courage, discipline, and honor were imparted with reverence. Every warrior aspired to emulate the legendary figures of Huitzilopochtli, the god of war, who symbolized strength and valor. As the sun set and the moon ascended, Tenochtitlan transformed into a city of ritual. Ceremonial music filled the air as priests initiated the warriors into sacred rites. These rituals, essential to maintaining the balance between the mortal world and the divine, were imbued with symbolism. The warriors took oaths and made offerings to the gods, seeking their favor while invoking the vision of celestial harmony. With war imminent, the warriors adorned themselves with iconic armors and weapons, comprised of obsidian blades and wooden clubs, tools of battle, as well as symbols of prestige and rank. Wearing helmets shaped like the fierce heads of jaguars and eagles, they took on the spirit of these creatures, embodying bravery and agility. At dawn, as armies assembled, the warriors felt the weight of their ancestors' expectations. Each battle was more than a fight. It was a sacred duty, a chance to prove their worth not only to their leaders, but to the gods themselves. Victory meant honor, while defeat was an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Central to Aztec warfare were the concepts of capture and sacrifice. Unlike many civilizations, victory meant more than destruction. It meant taking prisoners for rituals, ensuring the gods were appeased. Capturing opponents alive was a skill, celebrated and taught with care. Throughout the war campaigns, the warriors found themselves at the mercy of the gods' whims, aware that their victories were contingent upon divine approval. And so, after each battle, they returned to the temples, performing intricate rituals, offering their prayers as gratitude for their survival. In a realm that seemed to dance between the earth and the heavens, the Aztec warriors embodied a balance of the brutal and the sacred. They fought the wars that maintained their civilization, bowing with humility to the gods they cherished. As history turned its page, the Aztec civilization eventually fell to foreign invasions. Yet the memory of its warriors and their rituals survived, whispering through the ages, defining an era when the lines between man and deity blurred, and warriors rose not only as soldiers, but as sacred emissaries of a grand divine tapestry.